Okay, let's select A18 to B23 and click in the name box and type bonus underscore table and press the enter key. And then we want to select E5 and click the paste function button, and we want to select lookup and reference from the categories drop list, and we want VLOOKUP and OK. And now click in B5 and tab to the next one and type bonus table, and tab to the next line and let's type 2, and then we can click the OK button. And now let's add to the end of that formula line divide by 1000. And then we want to copy that across through G11 using the full handle. And now let's select A20 to B20 and right click on that and say insert and OK. And now let's type 500,000 in A20 and press the enter key and type 1500 in B20, and we'll note that those have applied. And now let's click in K5 and type the formula equals E5 plus H5 and enter, and we want to copy that across M11. And now select B5 to D11 and click in the name box and type sales and press the enter key. And now click in B5 and let's go to the format menu and select conditional formatting and click the arrow in the second box from the left and let's select less than or equal to, and then in the third box we want to type equals average open parenthesis sales close parenthesis by 0.5. And then we need to click the format button, and from the font tab let's select italic, and then let's click the color arrow and we want to select a red, and then we can click OK and OK. And now click the name box arrow and let's select sales. And let's go back to the format menu and conditional formatting, and that formatting is there. Let's just click OK, which will apply it to the whole of our sales scope. And now let's go back to the format menu. Well, let's select sales again and go to the format menu and conditional formatting and add, and for the second box we want greater than or equal to, and in the third box we want to type equals average with sales in parentheses multiplied by 1.5, and then we need to click the format button again, and on the font tab let's select bold and we'll select blue as a color, and OK, and OK. And now clicking some other cells, say C13 or something, to see the effect. And now let's go back to the Prices tab and select A1, and let's go to the Format menu and Auto Format, and scroll down and select Colourful 1. And then let's click the Options button, and we'll clear the width height checkbox and say OK. Now let's select C11 and go to the Format menu, Cells, and on the Number tab let's select Accounting, and then let's go to the Font tab and select Times New Roman. It's in there somewhere. There it is. And we want italic, and then we can say OK. And now let's go to the Format menu and select Style, and let's type My Style as the name, and we'll clear the Borders checkbox and say OK. And now let's click on the Bonus tab and select A5 to G11, and go to the Format menu and select Style, and from the Style name arrow let's select our new My Style and say OK. And let's resize the column so we can actually see what the effect is. And then let's select K5 to M11 and go to the Format menu and select Cells, and on the Number tab let's select Fraction, and we'll select as tenths and OK. And we need to resize the columns again to see the effect. And then we'll select B5 to D11 and go to the Format menu and Cells, and let's select Scientific and say OK. And again we'll need to resize the columns to see the effect. And now let's select A18 to A24 and go to the Format menu and Cells and Custom, and let's select the text that's supplied and change that to $, £, comma K, and click OK. And now let's select B5 to D11 and go to the Format menu, Conditional Formatting, and click the Delete button, and we want to check Condition 1 and say OK and OK. Now click the Select All button, that top left grey button, and let's go to the Edit menu and undo everything we've done. Let's go to the Edit menu, Clear, and Formats, and let's save that.